The 2026 Ferrari 12-Cilindri is a two-seat front-engine Grand Tourer that replaces the 812 Superfast and boasts a strong, naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. The car offers a blend of luxurious style, superior aerodynamics, and great performance, with costs starting around $470,950 for the coupe version. Ferrari has also introduced a new aspirated torque shaping system, which uses software to optimize torque output in third and fourth gears for increased power in the low and mid RPM ranges. The 12-Cilindri also features rear-wheel steering, which improves low-speed handling and high-speed stability. The EPA anticipates that the 12-Cilindri coupe will get 12 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway, while the Spider will get 17 miles per gallon. The 12-Cilindri's cabin is significantly more modern than that of the 812 it replaces, with 3 screens and a dual cockpit configuration that separates the driver and passenger into their own pods, akin to the Puro Sangue SUV. The gear selector and drive mode selection are the only remaining manual controls. The headroom and legroom aren't very generous, but most adults should find the space comfortable even on long excursions. The materials are of great quality, and Ferrari claims to have employed certain sustainable materials, such as Alcantara, which contains 65% recycled polyester. While the coupe has a tinted glass roof, the Spider model's canvas top folds in 14 seconds, allowing the cabin to be filled with fresh air. The 12-Cilindri has 3 screens inside, with the infotainment system's main functions controlled by a centrally mounted 10.3-inch touchscreen. Behind the steering wheel, a 15.6-inch digital gauge cluster gives the driver with driving and vehicle dynamics information, while the passenger receives their own 8.8-inch display on the dashboard. The 12-Cilindri has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, as well as a wireless phone charger in the center console. Ferrari also provides an optional 15-speaker Burmester sound system.